There's someone doing mischief here. It's pushing the host of this nest to one side. This troublemaker is the cuckoo. It's very malicious. It specializes in parasitizing other birds' nests. Judging by its size, the bird baby above is obviously much larger than the host family. It has already grown wing feathers. However, this troublemaker doesn't care much about its big brother. It's desperately pushing its big brother out of the nest. What will happen to the bird above in the end? Let's continue watching. The black bird above is getting closer to the edge. It's becoming more and more dangerous. If this bird pushes a little more, it will immediately fall below the nest. This bird keeps pushing desperately. The bird above has reached the edge of the nest. It's about to fall down soon. But at this moment, watching this cuckoo, it seems a bit tired. Its strength is starting to wane. It's very exhausted. The bird is still flapping its wings. It's almost falling off. However, this cuckoo is still desperately pushing back, but it seems to be getting weaker and weaker. Goodness! Outside, the bird is clinging to a branch with its claws. It's hanging on the edge of the nest. At this moment, the cuckoo can no longer push back. It suddenly jumps to the middle of the nest. Look at its round belly. It's completely exhausted. No strength left. The bird above has finally endured the most crucial step. If it were another bird, I estimate that 90% would have fallen. The bird above is considered lucky. It slowly moves back into the nest. The one below can't lift its head. It's very tired, but it's still hanging in there. Is this blackbird lucky today?